In this video, I will show how to transfer data from PDF in Excel. So click on data, get data from file and select from PDF. Now select your required PDF. Here you can select multiple item to get, and here you can see the preview, or you can select any particular data. If you need all data and table from your Excel, so select all. You can check out here, then click on load. Now here click on transform data. Now wait for a few seconds till this process will be complete. Here you can see the preview. And once you did, click on close and load. It will take few seconds till this process will be complete. Once you're done, click on convert to range. Click on OK. So thanks for watching guys. Comment in this video useful for you.